Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section and share, okay? And to all my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. Thank you for subscribing to this beautiful and amazing family. To my OGs, thank you so much guys for always supporting me. So guys, today we are making fish roll and this is actually my first attempt in fish roll and it came out so tasty, so delicious. Without wasting much time guys, let me go ahead now to introduce the ingredients I use for this recipe. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. So guys, let's get started. So here are the things I'm using for this fish roll. I have here my mackerel fish. I've already washed this. So this is half kilo of mackerel fish. I have my sugar. This is 2 teaspoons of sugar. My baking powder. This is my onions I'm going to be using to season my fish. And here is my butter. I have here my egg. I'm using 1 egg for this. And here is my flour. I'm going to be measuring out flour from this. So now we are going to start by cooking the fish, and to my pot I'll be adding in my fish. I'll go in with some onions. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm using Maggi star. So I will be going in with some water now to cook the fish. I just used only seasoning cube and onions to season this, okay? So I added in water. I'm going to cover the pot now and let it cook. So guys, our fish is cooked now. I'm just going to bring this down and then we'll start frying. Okay, I'm going to debone it before frying. If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. So guys, here is our cooked mackerel fish. I'm going to debone it now. Just going to remove all the bones. And here is my deboned mackerel fish, and I'm going to fry it now. And to my dried pan, I'll be adding in some oil. I'll heat up my vegetable oil. So guys, I didn't know that this part wasn't showing when I was adding in the things I was adding. I just added in fresh pepper and onions, and then I fried it for some time before going in with my fish. Okay, so you can adjust your seasoning if there is need for you to adjust your seasoning. So here I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to fry this fish for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay? And this is my fried fish. I will set this aside now, and then we start making our dough for fish roll. So here is it. I will just set it aside now. So in my bowl, I have 2.5 cups of flour. I'll be adding in my sugar, my baking powder, and then I'll be going in with some salt. I'll go in with my egg now. Please don't go in with your egg directly, because I'm sure of this egg. That is why I went in with it directly. Just break your egg separately before adding it into your mixture, okay? So that you don't spoil your mixture. So I would go in with my hand now to mix everything together. So guys, I'll be adding my water little by little until you get to the consistency that I want. I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients I use with the measurement in the description box, so please check it out, okay? I'll add in my butter now. So guys, I'm going to transfer this into my working surface, and then I will knead it, okay? I'll just flour the surface for easy kneading. I'll be rolling out this dough now. Then I will cut it out to the size of my fish roll, okay? So I just brushed it with flour. Make sure this is flour that I dissolved in water. I'm brushing it for easy wrapping. So now that I'm done wrapping all the fish roll or rolling all the fish dough, I'm going to heat up my oil now, and then I will start frying my fish roll. You're going to fry this on medium heat, okay? Do not fry on high heat so that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm going to fry this on medium heat until it turns golden brown. So guys, our fish roll is fried now. I'm going to take it out from the oil. I hope you are enjoying the video. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to our channel? Have you? If you have not, please subscribe and like the video, okay? And guys, this is what we have. Our fish roll is ready. This came out so yummy, so delicious. Like, I tried. I know I tried. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.